Hello and welcome back, health enthusiasts. I'm your health guru, here to guide you on your journey towards optimal health and wellness, so let's get started. Hey gorgeous! Ready to rock those slim thighs and a killer booty? This workout is designed just for you, with love. Let's dive into 6 fantastic exercises that'll help you burn that inner and outer thigh fat. Get ready to feel confident, strong, and absolutely fabulous. 1. Sumo Squat, a wide-legged squat where you turn your toes outward at a 45-degree angle. This targets the inner thighs and works the quads, hamstrings, and glutes. 2. Reverse lunges. In this exercise, you step backward into a lunge position. It engages the glutes, quads, and hamstrings while also challenging your balance and stability. 3. Hip bridge. This exercise involves lying on your back with knees bent, feet flat on the floor, and lifting your hips off the ground. It activates your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back muscles. 4. Donkey kickback. You start on your hands and knees, then lift one leg, keeping the knee bent at 90 degrees, and press your foot toward the ceiling. This targets the glutes. 5. Fire hydrant. Starting on your hands and knees, you lift one leg out to the side while keeping your knee bent at 90 degrees. This movement targets the outer hips and glute medius. 6. Plyo side lunges. Here you explosively switch between lunging to each side. It's a cardio-intensive exercise that also engages the lower body muscles. You did it. Dedication and hard work are taking you closer to your goals with every rep. Remember, this journey is about progress, not perfection. Keep showing up for yourself, because you are worth every bit of effort. Remember to perform these exercises with proper form to avoid injury and to maximize their effectiveness. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.